Welcome to Web Defender. Please like and subscribe to stay informed on information and tips to keep you and your family safe online. Welcome to Introduction to Online Security, Tips for Beginners. In today's digital age, protecting your online presence has become more important than ever before. Whether you're a novice or seasoned internet user, understanding the fundamentals of online security is essential to safeguarding your personal information and privacy. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to stay safe and secure while navigating the vast landscape of the internet. Let's start with the basics. Your first line of defense in online security is creating strong and unique passwords for all your accounts. Avoid using easily guessable passwords such as 123456 or password. Instead, opt for a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. Be wary of phishing scams and fraudulent emails that attempt to trick you into revealing sensitive information. Always verify the email's sender address before you open any links. Always ensure that websites you visit use HTTPS encryption to protect your data from being intercepted by third parties. Also, pay close attention to the spelling of the websites that you visit. Take control of your privacy settings on social media platforms and limit the amount of personal information you share online. Consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your internet connection and keep your browsing activity private from prying eyes. Invest in reputable antivirus software and keep it regularly updated to defend against malware, viruses, and other online threats. Don't forget to back up your important files and data regularly to avoid losing them in the event of a security breach or hardware failure. By implementing these simple yet effective security measures, you can surf the web with confidence and peace of mind. Now let's delve deeper into some advanced tips for enhancing your online security. Consider using a password manager to securely store and manage all your passwords in one encrypted location. Explore biometric authentication options available on your devices for added convenience and security. Always verify the authenticity of websites before entering sensitive information by checking for subtle misspellings or inconsistencies in the URL. Stay informed about the latest trends and developments in online security by attending workshops, seminars, or webinars hosted by reputable organizations. You can also like and subscribe to this channel and get notified when we upload new content. Regularly monitor your online accounts for any suspicious activity and report any unauthorized access immediately to the respective service providers. In conclusion, online security is a shared responsibility that requires constant vigilance and proactive measures. By adopting the tips and strategies discussed in this video, you can better protect yourself against cyber threats and enjoy a safer online experience. Thank you for watching Introduction to Online Security, Tips for Beginners. Remember, staying safe online is an ongoing journey, so stay informed and empowered.